Hello student, welcome back to Krishna classes. This is Surbhi here and I am going to take the class of 11 chapter 1. You know about the name of the chapter, some basic concept of the chemistry. Today's our topic is molecular mass. Atomic mass, what is the atomic mass? How can we calculate the atomic mass? We discussed in my previous video. So for the atomic mass you can watch my previous video. So let's start the today's topic. What is the molecular mass? What is the molecular mass? It is obtained by multiplying. It is obtained by multiplying the atomic mass of each element. Atomic mass of each element by the number of its atom. By the number of its atom and adding them together. What is the molecular mass? It is obtained by multiplying the atomic mass of each element by the number of its atom and adding them together. Let's see the example. Molecular mass of methane. What is the molecular mass of methane? Here formula of methane has written the atomic mass of carbon is 12.011 U plus atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.0084 multiplied by 4 because here is hydrogen is 4. So total molecular mass of compound is 16 into 043 mu. This is the methane molecular mass. Okay. Now let's see the molecular mass of water. Here 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen. Here hydrogen is 2, that's why here 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 into atomic mass of oxygen because oxygen is 1, that's why. So here 2 into 1.008 mu plus 16 into 00 mu and come 18.02 mu. So this is the molecular mass of the water. Now come on the problems. One problem has given in your book. Calculate the molecular mass of glucose. You know very well the formula of glucose. What is the formula of glucose? C6H12O6. This is the formula of glucose. Let's start its solution. How can we calculate the molecular mass of glucose? First, carbon is 6. Then 1 atomic mass of carbon is 12 into 0.11 multiply by 6 plus hydrogen atomic mass is 1.0084 multiplied by 12 because here hydrogen is 12. Then again oxygen is 6. Atomic mass of 1 oxygen is 16 into 00 multiplied by 6. Then here C6 72.066 plus 12H 12.096 plus O6 96.00 and total is 180.1624. This is the molecular mass of the glucose. Okay. So I repeat my class again. What is the molecular mass? It is obtained by the multiplying the atomic mass of each element by the number of its atom and adding them together. Example, molecular mass of methane. CH4 is the formula and carbon's atomic mass is 12 into 12.011 U plus 4 into hydrogen atomic mass 1.008. So plus adding both and we find 16.043 mu. This is the molecular mass of the methane. Now same type we calculate the molecular mass of the water. Here 2 into atomic mass of the hydrogen because hydrogen is 2 in water and plus 1 into oxygen atomic mass 2 into 1.008 plus 16 into 00. What comes? 18.02. This is the molecular mass of the water. Now come on the problem. Find out the molecular mass of the glucose. Formula is C6H12O6. Then 1 carbon is 12 into 12.011 multiplied by 6 plus 12 into 1.0084 plus 6 multiplied by 16 into 16.00 and what comes 180.1622. This is the molecular mass of the glucose. So this is the class. You can watch more time. This is the mathematical terms. I will take next topic in next video. Thank you so much for the watching. This is Surbhi here. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.